Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So today I am very excited to introduce Amazon Orders Data Scraping Bot. In this video, I'll show you how you can scrap your orders data along with invoices by using this bot. So finally, when you get this zip file from me, extract it first into a simple folder and after that, just run this exe file. So this is our bot. When you run the bot, just click the start button. Okay, it has opened the sign in page and showing message to log in the account first, and then we have to open the orders list. Okay, I have logged in and here I am going to my orders page here, and when we click OK, it will then start to scrap these orders data. Before that, select all the data columns that you want to scrap here. Okay, and now I am clicking OK. Now it is scraping the data, and you can count the number of rows by right clicking here, and it is scraping year, page number, order number, its date, delivery date, price and dispatched, and it's also scraping the invoice PDF link. And you can use this bot in two ways, either to scrap orders pages from first to last one or from last to first one in reverse order. It's on your choice. And now it is scraping the page number 2 data. So it will keep scraping in this way. You can see the time here. I am going to pause the video for a while, and after that we will see the results and export this data into Excel file. Okay, it has scrapped around 78 records. Now I show you how to export this data. Click export button, specify your output location like my desktop, and select your output format and export it. So this is our exported data. Okay. And it has scrapped around 8 pages, and it will keep scraping till the last one. So this is our bot. It's able to scrap thousands of orders data within a few hours. It can save a lot of time. So if you want to get this bot or have any other questions, you can ask. The contact details are provided in the description. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video. Hope to see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.